This is the Fight the Zombies experience.
Welcome in, welcome in.
Hello.
Welcome to the zombie fight experience. We are going to be hunting and killing zombies here. Everybody excited for that?
Yes.
He is.
I'm gonna be doing it. She's just gonna film me if that's okay, right?
We got a squad team coming back. Okay, head on in. Let's get you armed. Little dark, step up here. Okay, you have a choice between a handgun or a shotgun. Mind you, the shotgun, you're gonna have to reload each shot. Handgun, you can just fire. Which would you like? Handgun. There you are. And milady, would you like a gun?
No, thank you.
No, thank you. All right. We also need some eye goggles. Here you are.
You gotta check these two.
Let me grab myself a gun. I think we're good to head out. Back this way, please. Actually, let's go out this way because we got a team back here. I can debrief you out here in the front.
Alright, so you three, report to this wall here.
Alrighty. So, welcome to Team Alpha. We have a mission. We are trying to retrieve the president's son. He's alive in there. We've got to get him out. It's my job to lead you through and try to keep you alive the best I can. My name is Major Payne. Now, we do have some rules. There are only a couple, but it's really easy. Rule number 1, wear your safety eye goggles at all times. Okay, that's it for rule number 1. Rule number 2, don't shoot me, don't shoot each other, don't shoot already dead zombies. I mean, you may be asking yourselves, Major Payne, what does an already dead zombie look like? They will be laying on the floor, not actively trying to attack you. Once you shoot them in the head, they are gonna go down. You shoot them anywhere below, they are gonna keep coming for you, all right? They are trying to infect you. Try not to let them touch you. Stick with me, okay? I've got a little glow marker in the back for you to stay with me. My path is also lit up a little bit in green. We can follow it along. Just stay with me, listen to my directions. I am gonna tell you to run a little bit. I'm gonna tell you to stop a little bit. Just stick together. We're gonna make it through this. All right, you ready?
Yes.
All right, right this way, please. Someone will be right with you guys to arm you.
Thank you.
Hi, someone will be right with you guys to arm you.
Hey, better luck next time, right?
Ready? All right, over here, team, over here. Thank you. All right, I am going to give the official signal that we're coming out. One moment, please. Real loud. Okay, we're gonna go around the back this way, guys.
Okay.
Eye goggles on, guns ready. All right, guns up, guns up. Okay, it's gonna get a little dark here. Step up, right here. Guns up, guys, guns up. Stay alert. Around this corner, here, around this corner. Step down, right here. Okay, that was nice and quiet. Perfect. Are we together, team?
We're together.
Try to be quiet. Against the van. See this green marker right here? This is what we're going to try to follow. We're going to have to move here. Get ready to move. Okay, ready? Go. Fire! All right. Through here, through here. Stay alert, stay alert. To the left, to the left, to the left! Stop, stop. Moving, left here. Ah! All right, stick with me, team, stick with me. All right, we're following the green, following the green. All right, it's gonna get hairy right here. Stay close, keep it moving. To the left, fire, fire, fire. All right, around this way, team, around this way. place. Keep alert, keep alert. Okay, you gotta get out through that green marker right there. Stay alert, stay alert. Let's go. Oh, behind you, behind you, behind you. Shoot, shoot, fire, fire. Oh, great job, you got him. Perfect. Good job, team. We made it through phase 1 perfectly.
Phase 1. Oh no.
Okay.
Past the checkpoint.
Oh
Up
no.
here on the top of this hill, this is where the president's son is. We must retrieve him from there. Stay right. To the left. Okay, keep moving. Keep your eyes behind you. Keep your eyes behind you. Fire, fire, fire! Let's keep it moving. Up the hill. Eyes open on the left, eyes open on the left. Okay, let's get in the building. Sir, we're here! Sir! Oh no! He's dead!
Tim!
Fire! Fire! The president's son is dead. Mission over. Back to base, guys. Let's get out of here.
All right. Sorry, Mr.
All right. Let's on the green marker. Eyes open to the left. All right, good job, good job. Got a couple potholes right here, so keep your footing. Phase 2, great job, team, great job. A little quieter here. I don't think we have anything to the left. Keep your eyes open to the right. Eyes open to the right. Behind you, behind you. Fire. Great. Okay, team, we have almost made it through. We are almost there. Okay. Building to the right.
Tim!
What?
Oh, behind you!
Behind me!
What?
Got him behind you at this part?
You got a civilian. You got a civilian with us.
All right, we're going down this hill right
Oh
here.
Lord have mercy,
down,
no.
Going down.
Nice and slow.
Oh no. I'm turning on a flashlight for this one.
Go ahead, feel free to light yourself.
Yeah, yeah.
We're going to very slowly truck our way down this little ravine. We are almost at the end, soldiers. You have done great.
Ah,
Mary hasn't done enough sneaking around
Stress.
instructions.
stress.
In the
Stress.
middle of the night.
Quiet. We've got to get through this.
Tim,
last building.
Tim!
But you have to be quiet. This is our last. Oh no! Fire! 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 Round this way! Round this way! There's pop right there. Okay. Behind you here. Okay, let's just get out of here, guys. It's too packed. There's a step right here. Step up. Step up.
Ah, just like every single time. Really, guys?
Thank you, Mary.
No, but they do it hard. They don't even like.
Good base, guys. We have made it out.
Ah! Ah!
You made it, Mary.
How are you
You
doing,
made it,
soldier?
Mary. I survived.
By a thread.
Were you tagged?
Oh, 5 million times. Every single
We
time.
will have a talk with our zombies about that, thank you.
Every
Okay,
single
stop
time.
right here, just one moment.